Shit. Saya pa rin na, gago. Bukas ulit pre. Kaya pre. Uy! Tol, wag tol. Tol, wag tol. Tol, wag tol. Tol, tol. Ang gagawin dito. Uy, wag tol. Gago. Na.
Excuse me po, ikaw po ba yung tumawag ng ambulansya? Opo, ako po yun. Ako po yung kapamilya ng pasyente. Hindi ko magpapaniwala na wala pala yung aking asawa.
Hindi ko dapat nakita, hindi ko dapat alam. Kung sasabihin ko, mawawala ang lahat. Pero paano kung hindi ko ipagsasabi? Tama ba ang itago na lang? Tama ba ang manahimik na lang? May utang ako sa kanya. May utang ako sa katotohanan. Tama na to. Sasabihin ko na ang katotohanan. Kahit kaano pa ito kahirap.
Kailan huling nakita ang biktima?
Kagabi po.
Anong oras nakita ang bangkay? Alas 9 ng gabi.
Tatlo po silang nakikita ko ng gabi niya.
Sino ang biktima? Kilala mo ba ang biktima?
Hindi ko po kilala yung biktima kasi madilim na kagabi.
May mga sinyalis ba ng labanan?
Opo.
Saan nakita ang biktima kagabi? Saan mo nakita?
Doon ko nakikita yung lalaki niya.
Sino ka at ano ang trabaho mo?
Ako si Wilson Villamor Marquez. Wala akong trabaho, tambay lang ako po.
Kilala mo ba ang biktima?
Hindi ko kilala ang biktima. Hindi ko kami lasing at nagkasalubong kami sa daan, tapos nabangga kami ni Wilbert ng mga tropa ko hanggang sa dumating sa punto na napikon kami at ginawa namin ang karumal-dumal na krimen.
Wala kaya. Alam mo bang may asawa at anak siya? Ba't mo pinatay yung asawa ko? Sino ka at anong connection mo sa kaso?
Ako po si Mary Joy Madando.
Ako po yung magpapatunay na yang kriminal na yan. Yun ang pumatay sa asawa ni Mrs. Saisisipi. At papatunayan ko yan dahil may ebidensya akong dala. After careful examination of the evidence presented, the testimonies of witnesses, and
the arguments of both the prosecution and the defense, this court has found the accused, Robert Marquez Villamor, guilty beyond reasonable doubt for the murder of Wilbert Civil. The court recognized that no sentence can ever bring back the life who was not lost. Wilbert Civil was a person with dreams, family, and a future that was taken away by a deliberate and unlawful act of violence. His death has caused deep pain not only to his beloved ones, but also the community. Justice requires accountability. The law exists to protect life, and when it is violated, the court must act firmly and fairly. Therefore, in accordance with the law, this court sentences Robert Marquez Villamor to imprisonment to face the full consequences of his actions. Let this ruling serve as a reminder that violence has no place in a just society, and that court will always stand to uphold truth, justice, and the rule of law. This court is now adjourned.
In the Philippines, murder is not defined under a Republic Act. It is defined under the Revised Penal Code (RPC), law that covers murder in courts. Revised Penal Code Article 248 Murder. Important related laws. RA 7659, amended penalties for heinous crimes including murder. RA 9346, abolished the death penalty. So murder is now punished by reclusion, perpetual life imprisonment. Murder equals killing someone with qualifying circumstances. Cruelty. Premeditation. Courts file and decide murder cases based on Article 248 of the Revised Penal Code, not a separate RA.
Pagkatasong ko mang bidang artikel pa, sunod ko na.
Day, ngayong gabi, may isang criminal.
Maling kagwapo ng kriminal kasi magpadunggaw. Para si Celos kaya ako nakapatay.